Now you see x plus 6 root 2 to the power half minus x minus 6 root to the power half equals to 2 root 2, right. Now you see x plus 6 root 2 to the power half minus x minus 6 root 2 to the power half, and this is coming as 2 root 2. Okay. By looking at this expression, we can make out that this was something like, this bracket will be something like a plus root 2 the whole square and to the power half, okay, and minus this can be something b minus root 2 the whole square and to the power half, okay. And then you see half of get cancelled, this will become a plus root 2, okay, and this will be also, I mean I am making a mistake, this will be also, it will be same because here x is same, so this can't be b, this will be also a, right. So this will be also a, my bad, this will be also something like this because they are conjugate pair, right. So this will be power half, so this will be minus a minus root 2 and ultimately a get cancelled root 2 plus 2, so it will be 2 root 2. So looking at the right hand side, it seems like something this will come, right. So this expression will be a plus something root 2 whole square. Let us try to make it a whole square. So now you see this expression will be x plus, if you have to make it 2 AB form. So it will be 2 into 3 root 2. So 3 into root 2, right, okay, to the power half. I will erase this, right, okay, or I can write it here, right, I can write it here. So you see, you can see x plus 6 root 2, it will be like x plus, it will be 2 AB. So 2 into 3 into 3 into root 2, right, root 2. So if x becomes 3 square plus root 2 the whole square, okay, it will become 2a into b, and then we can write it as 3 plus root 2 the whole square, right. So this expression can become like this, okay. In that case, this has to be the value of x, right. So x values can be 9 plus, x values can be 9 plus 2, this is 11. So if x is 11, we can write like this, okay, it will become 3 plus root 2 ka whole square, right, okay, and that will be again x minus 6 root 2. If x is 11, it will be 3 square plus root 2 square minus 3, I mean 2 into 3 into root 2. It will become 3 minus root 2 the whole square, and in that case we can get the answer as this will become 3 plus root 2 minus 3 minus root 2, and it will match with the RHS, okay. So looking at the symmetry, I mean we can say that x is actually 3 square plus root 2 square. So x has to be 11, right. So answer for x is 11, okay. So answer for x is 11. So that's the answer, okay. I hope this is clear.